Frogfish.
That sounded huge when he hit.
Yeah, it was huge. He's up here in my feet now. Goodness gracious. Bear with me, folks. I got a fish on the line. Frogfish. He's up here at my feet now.
That's awesome.
I'm talking about crushed it. Yeah, he swallowed it. I'm talking about.
He wanted that thing.
Oh, that fish.
He wanted that frog.
Ain't one coming off either.
That sounded like a 5-pounder that thing, dude.
I know.
Because I wasn't looking. I just heard it and I was like, oh.
Set the hook on him. He got one hook. One hook good. He ain't as big as I thought. No, I got it reeling in, but we're gonna let that thing go. Frogfish.
Uh-oh. Don't tell me the frog bite on.
That frogfish. In the shade. As soon as I got in the shade, good cast, I guess. I said, I gotta throw a frog today. I ain't even been over to the honey hole yet.